Hey everybody, and welcome back to Crypto Kings, and it's time we have a very urgent discussion about the aftermath of Dogecoin on SNL. Now, the event just happened very recently, and I want to talk to you guys about why this downtrend is happening, what failed on the event, and in general, what my personal expectations are for the future. So if you guys are new, remember, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. If you guys want to get started trading Dogecoin or any other cryptos, my Robinhood affiliate link down below in the description. You both get a tiny bit of free money over there. So definitely go ahead and click that as well. If you want to trade some other cryptos, my Coinbase link is down there as well. Let's get into it, guys. So one of the most shocking things about this event was, again, Dogecoin's failure to pass this little candle test over here. Now I'm going to zoom in here and get a little bit more specific for you. So like I told you guys in one of my recent videos, you see this little volley here, and again, what you're really looking at is a continuous test of around the 68-ish cent line, right around this line. And again, you see, these other two, these are the SNL candles right here. These right here are the specific SNL candles. You see it go up a tiny bit. Okay, it shoots up, goes really, really high, goes up to 70, and this was the breaking point. This 70 candle did not last long enough. That is the problem. If Dogecoin held a 70-cent price for a longer period of time, if it held 70 cents for the entirety of the show, let's just say there was an equilibrium of people buying and selling at that time, it probably could have gone up to $1. I said that and I had a lot of faith that it would get to $1. Again, it's way more than halfway there. But what ended up happening is that 70 cent ended up breaking. People got nervous, people got scared, and in turn, it led to people selling too much of their Doge too quickly, not buying enough at 70. And again, 70 is probably not the best price to buy, like I've told you guys. So what people end up doing is looking at Dogecoin here at 70 cents, going, oh my God, I'm going to collect my winnings because I'm personally confident that at some point tonight, it's going to crash. And it's a smart strategy, right? Isn't it a smart strategy? What they're doing is they're essentially saying, okay, I'm going to collect what I've won tonight, and I'm going to rebuy when it reaches lower point. In fact, that's probably something I would have done. I didn't end up doing it. I wasn't really paying that much attention during the show. I figured, okay, you know what? It'll just go to $1. I'll just watch it after, whatever. And I've always had more of a long-term hold kind of, sort of methodology with Dogecoin. I'm not big into scalping it or whatnot. But again, a lot of people who felt like scalping it saw the 70, said, boom, let me get out of here. And then that 70 sent it catapulting all the way down to 47 cents. In fact, 45 at one point here. Absolutely devastating blow. Devastating blow. But again, you have to remember that the more this coin gets talked about, the more validity this is given, the less tragic these drops are. And in fact, we're already seeing a bit of a rebound. So if you guys are worried about Doge crashing and whatnot, I wouldn't worry too much. Again, like I said, it crashed 15 cents. For all intents and purposes. Yes, we saw a little bit of a scary kind of a zone here under 50, but, let's be real. You see a very, very sharp rebound, a very, very fast rebound, right back, over 50 again. I mean, if you had this 50 line, again, you see a rebound coming over 50 again, 55 even here really being where it's fighting. So now, the new question, like I told you guys about this battle earlier at 68, the new battle right now is going to be here at 55. Will these candles continue to, incrementally, work the way up like this, past 55. Will that happen, or will we see this 55 test fail and the candles continue to chart down, and then boom, then our new resistance line becomes 50, and then then we see some trouble. Right? So the major question for the foreseeable future, of the foreseeable few hours, and this is going to go on for a while. I mean, again, it looks like we're kind of in a stalemate at this point. Is this the dip? Is this the dip that people should buy? I mean, again, that's what a lot of people are thinking now. That is the stalemate we're currently on. And again, it seems like a few people at this very moment agree that this 55 is the time to buy. But again, will it pass 60 again? Will it pass 65 again? I have no idea. And if it doesn't pass 65, then what are we going to see? Where will this price head? Again, it really all depends on general enthusiasm. It depends on fear. It depends on what the estimated future target of this coin is. If the general projection is that 56.9 here, or 56.8, whatever, is the low, if that is the general assessment from people on social media, people on Twitter, if that is the general assessment at the moment, that 56 is like the low. Oh my God, 56 is a great time to buy. If that is the assessment, then again, I could see us charting some, some good candles here again, reestablishing some higher supports. I could see something like this going on. If 56 is, again, generally perceived as being another high, or, oh my God, it's on the way down, the stop loss orders start filling in, then again, we see some candles charting their way down. So that really is the question. Now, in terms of other coins which we've been talking about, we've been monitoring here, Shiba coin here, currently at the moment, it is really kind of stagnating. It's nothing fantastic. And I don't know whether or not this will trend. I don't know whether or not people find out about this, talk about this again. I've seen a lot of talk about this on Twitter, a lot of speculation on Twitter. But, at the moment, is Shiba coin here going to be like the new place to place your Doge profits? In that case, I really don't know. At the moment, again, like I said, I don't currently think so. Safe Moon is another very similar one. And Safe Moon's actually up a tiny bit. Actually, for a brief moment there, huh? Yeah, for a brief on SNL, Safe Moon actually went up as well. I think it's pretty funny. And then, kind of leveled off. Nothing particularly special there. Safe Mars, same kind of thing here. Safe Mars, it's kind of level. I mean, again, I don't think there was quite the correlation that we had thought in regards to these coins being sort of paralleled with Doge. But again, really, Dogecoin right now is where this is at, man. Dogecoin right now is where the majority of the attention is. Like I said, it depends on the way these candles behave, where the new resistance is established. Because again, at the moment, TradingView here is doing this automatically, but really, the new resistance is here, 57 cents. If we see some consistent breaks, somewhere like this, around 57 cents, then I easily see it hurtling back to 70 cents. If that is not the case, if again people view 57 as the new high and not the new low, then again, we're seeing a red here. It's a little concerning. I mean, again, it depends on the way this perception changes. Because we're going to fight a battle here for a while. I anticipate at least another good few hours before we really have any answers on this. So that is basically it. Again, guys, I wouldn't worry too much. Don't freak out about it. Again, even if you bought at 70 cents, so I'm sure a lot of people did, you know what? I wouldn't worry too much, because SNL, which, it became evident after, it started, it was going to be a bad day for Doge, not a good day, which is a shame, because I really was hoping this would be a good day. Again, like a lot of people said, but again, just unfortunately, that speculation, that fear at that 70-cent mark sent it catapulting down. And once people see it catapulting down like that, that's it. There's no changing the story like that. So that to me is the biggest problem at the moment. And again, we're just gonna have to see whether or not this 55, 56 mark will be perceived as generally good or generally bad. If it does go past 70 again, like I said, what you should be on the lookout for is whether or not it is able to chart multiple candles past 70. I mean, again, if we see multiple candles that are, that are 72, 73. If we see candles like this that are continuously, again, establishing a higher moving average on the support line to where, it's going up from 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. If we see that happening, then we'll be closer. We'll be pushing 0.8. We'll be pushing 0.9. Pushing $1. That's basically the way this works. So, hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you guys did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you all are new. Again, if you guys want to get started trading crypto, my link's down below in the description, my Robinhood and my Coinbase link. Make sure to check them out. Also, join our Discord, guys. Love to talk with you over there and kind of, discuss how all these events went down. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about the situation. Are you happy about this? Are you sad about this? Did you view this new little crash here as a time to buy? Are you scared? Let me know down below in the comments your overall thoughts on everything here. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications. That way, you guys never miss any crypto videos coming out each and every single day. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, my name is Matt. I'll catch you all on the next one.